Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to unban someone on Discord. To get started, open up Discord app on your device. Once you are on the app, you will see somewhat like this on your screen interface. Now on the top of the screen, you will see something like this options on your screen. Click on the server settings option. After clicking here, you will see many options. Scroll down and here you will see moderation option. Among them, click on bans option. And here you can search any ID or username you have banned on Discord, and you can simply click on the username and unban them. Found the video to be helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.